Today we got a Mk7 Golf R. Complaint is poor starting after letting the car sit. So here we are looking at the fuel pressure data, and here you will see the fuel pressure measured in kilopascals, and you'll notice it's slowly dropping. Now there was no O2 sensor codes for running rich, and the fuel pressure sensor is located on the fuel rail after this high pressure fuel pump. The pump here should act as a check valve and hold that fuel pressure. We can now go ahead and replace it and check pressures and confirm our fix. Here we will pull out the pump with the spring and piston, and then the cam follower will come out, and we will inspect the roller for signs of wear. Everything's looking good, so we can install the new one. Now after the car has been run and primed, we can see the pressure is actually going up as the fuel starts to evaporate. Now that is a confirmed fix. Thanks for watching. Peace!